Before you went to that Korean residency, so you were at the end of your Angolan program and I was there
Mm.
talking with you, and then you told me na you were going to apply for a nursing job abroad.
That wasn't me. That was Patricia. Yeah, every time, like, parang alam mo nasa pit na ako ng I try to hold to that option. Fine, I'm gonna be a nurse and gano'n, and serve the country to earn dollars. Pero ano lang, thought lang siya na parang ano, feeling ko I am serving the country or my family, or I'm an obedient or a responsible person, but I'm not. So, parang aside, but I'm not.
But what made you go against that thought? Kasi
Um,
when we were talking, you were sold na on it eh. And I was surprised kasi nag-amuyan ka na eh. I mean, hindi naman lahat dun sa batch mo may chance na maging amuyan
mm,
dun sa program ng Linangan, di ba? So parang one notch higher yun kasi mas yung selection process doon is different. Kasi dito 8 kayo pipiliin.
mm,
Sa amuyan just one, 'di ba? And then it surprised me na you thought about doing yung nursing job mo despite having disadvantage of being an amuyan among yun nga sa eksena, 'di ba? Or sa batch. Or I mean sa larger scene, 'di ba? Kasi when you become an amuyan, you get exposed more eh. And you get to stay longer. So yung mga activities ng linangan, kasama ka dun sa group shows.
mm.
Maraming yung mga nagyayaya sa kanila and then 'pag nag-iikot si Sir Manny, all over the country kasama ka din, 'di ba? So you get exposure, you get connections, and then all of a sudden gusto mo mag-nursing kasi you didn't find this part niya sustainable.
Yeah.
So what made you decide na, "Hindi nga, I'll go with this na lang."
Feeling ko yung ano, yung residency in Korea, I don't want that to waste. So, parang nag-shift naman, oh, okay, meh. Every time kasi I think about giving up sa art career, if ever I do have one, I oh, 'di ba magda-drama ako, ayoko na gano'n. Kasi ano, oh, sinong gustong bumili ng artwork, 80% off, ayoko ng mag-artist. Tapos meron talagang offer or like, I don't know, na parang it keeps pulling me back to what I want to do in life, which is making art. So, the residency in Korea was one. So I still stayed, I'm still here, and it's a pattern. I'm just kidding. I think I found naman the balance.
Pero do you still think ba na, "Ayun na yung
Every day. I'm just
hindi,
kidding.
no, 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 no. No, seryoso yan ano.
Mm.
I mean, you really doubt kung kasi it's a hard thing to do eh, 'di ba?
Especially that like I'm in my mid career um phase wherein I'm not an emerging and nor I'm not an established one. So I'm in the middle. I don't know if I need to lower my price or ano and or like increase ganon. So I gave up on that an idea na alam ko na lang na um that I need to not stop. I can't be consistent, but I know that I will not quit.
Mm.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, completely kasi
Mm.
yun nga, yun yung mid-career part yung pinakamahirap. Ito ha, I've been talking with other friends from the different disciplines.
Mhm.
And yung mid-career, like for example sa writing, yung 'pag sinabing mid-career, hindi siya negative eh. It means na you have a few books
Yeah.
and then to your name ano, tapos, nandun ka sa part yeah, yun nga, I think yung determining factor nila is you have a few books and then sa writing, having a few books is a big deal, a very, very big deal. 'Pag sinabi naman dito sa visual arts na you're mid-career, it's not a good thing.
Yeah.
Kasi you're somehow in limbo
Yeah.
na
Right.
hindi mo alam kung saan ka lulugar, 'di ba? And you can't I don't think naman na binabaan mo yung presyo mo, 'no?
Yeah. I did.
We never do that, 'di ba? Kasi it would be unfair naman to those who bought
Yep.
us and supported us, not bought us, who supported us during our early parts. Kaya nga tayo umangat because of their support.
Mhm.
Ano, pero yun nga, yung I think it's a function din of the market yung the A class and the B class malayo on what eh.
Yeah, super.
'Di ba? So once you reach a certain price in your career, hindi ka afford ng B class pero hindi ka kilala enough
Exactly.
ng A class to buy you.
Yep. Yep.
'Di ba? So yun yung ibig sabihin ng mid-career sa
Oo,
visual
oo.
art. I just wanted to explain that
Mhm.
kasi yun nga yung I'm trying to make this pod in education
Yeah,
for
true.
those looking eh.
Yep.
Ano so um and yeah, it's a hard thing.
Mhm.
So we're all trying to figure out how to get to the next level
Mm.
where nandun na tayo sa kind of market that can afford the price that we have reached.
Mhm.
Ano? So um what do you do ba to cope with this challenge?
Siguro I decided na number one, I embraced where I'm at right now. And then much more depth over speed because I started out with doing tons. I'm like quantity over quality. I've always wanted to prove that you can create quality works because you've done tons of it. Like I wanted to do that for a long time, but I don't know when I'll live that day wherein those works will be valued. Anyway, so yeah. I parang yung term ni Sir Mark when he saw
Sir Mark,
Sir Marcos Inian, when he saw my installation work when I had my group exhibition last March in Orange Project, he asked me, "Is this a departure?" And then that time I said, ano yung term na departure in the art world? But when he asked me that, I just said yes, as if I know the word and or the term. Parang it makes sense din naman eh. Because he saw my works when I was an amuyong in Linacan. And he saw the long necks, the stylized, the pop colored. And this time, parang nag-installation ako. It was very, research based. So I think I wanted to go onto that direction, depth. Na, okay, people would really have a conversation about that concept or topic. Yun.
ano yung ibig sabihin ng departure?
So, in my understanding, kasi dalawang person yung nung ano sa akin nun eh, nung when I had the installation sa departure mo. Departure! Sa bansa. Anyways, parang ano daw, okay, so I've been doing paintings for a while, for a long time, or doing visual, ganun. Tapos, nag-installation ako. Feeling ko yung that transition is
It's a
like,
transition.
oh,
Can you tell us about the installation?
yeah, that was, um, this. um,
Hindi
I
kasi it's this thing, 'di
it's
ba? Na
incubator.
it's an incubator, okay.
Mm. So I decided to I don't know how that popped into my mind, but I know I will be collecting candles from different churches in Negros Occidental. So parang church hopping siya. But I not steal. Just kidding. Parang hindi. Humingi ako ng like candles from the where they light candles, and I gathered all those and melted them into like egg-shaped figures. And then I placed some small images of not images, figures din na people, like different kinds of. And this is about the um farmers in Negros and in the land farming community in I also did get some wax in Dumaguete, so like Negros na lang. And then the idea that farmers and land owners go to the same church and pray for the same thing, different things. And then basta yun, that's the idea.
So, kasi you said it was an incubator. Yung ginawa mo bang mga egg-like objects dun sa loob ng incubator?
It
Totoo.
was, it is like
Time-based na
time-based
siya.
din. Kasi I
So
I put up
in-hyperlapse mo ba?
the bulbs. There were bulbs
Oo.
sa ano. Tapos dapat, 'di ba, 3 months yung duration ng exhibition. It didn't melt. Kasi I don't know, baka hindi so nag-ilonggo, hindi bala. Hindi not enough yung heat na nasa bulb. But when I pulled it out, some melted and it was, I think I need to update on that installation
Yeah.
because the materials I used really reacted to the environment and to time, which completed the whole idea.
Yeah, so yung installation naman, once you exhibit that in another context, pwede mo naman siyang i-improvise.
Yeah, oo.
Like, for example, you mentioned si Sir Mark Justiniani. Yung mirror illusions niya, may evolution din siya eh. Hindi naman siya one time, big time na it worked. So, well, siguro it worked dun sa ano niya, pero not to the extent that it's working now.
Mm.
Diba? So, gano'n naman, ongoing project talaga pag
Yeah, it
sinabi mo
is.
installation.